Please do remember to click on that red subscribe link you see below this video and do turn on notifications so you never miss anything from us. Today we are going to be making kadha, which is a great option in case your child has a cold or a cough. So let's start with the ingredients. Half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1/4 to half a teaspoon of carom seeds, 2 cloves, 2 black pepper seeds, half an inch of cinnamon, 8 to 10 leaves of tulsi or holy basil, half an inch of grated ginger. If your baby is over a year old, then you can add a tablespoon of jaggery, and you can even add 1/4 to half a teaspoon of turmeric if you so wish. Add about 3 to 5 cups of water in a saucepan and then proceed to add all the ingredients of the kadha into it. And then switch on the stove so that the water starts boiling. Now once the water begins to boil, keep a watch on it. Basically you need to focus on reducing those 3 to 5 cups of water to 1 cup. It may take a few minutes, but ensure that it doesn't burn. As you can see, the quantity of water has reduced quite a bit, so now I am going to turn the stove off. Now on to the final and last step. Just strain the kadha and let it cool down for a while, and you can give about 1 to 2 teaspoons of this to your child 3 to 4 times a day. It's a great home remedy for relief from a cold and a cough, and please remember to always prepare fresh kadha for your child every day.